Steve Gordon with FPS. I'm going to go over how to make a word processing mail merge template. It's pretty easy. Click the Tools tab here and click Word Processing. And I have this, it opens another window. I have it coming into this video and shrunk down so it's kind of collapsed. But anyway, it'll look like this. And on the left side here you have this column which is your field names. And that list can be changed to different size by holding the mouse over those little dots. Your cursor will change and you can switch it to the size you like. You can also hide it by going up here to the show fields and they will disappear. And it will just be like any old word processor. So let's click that. Let's get started. And you open up these sections. Use this to open them all up, or this button to collapse them all. I'm up here at the top here. So let's just collapse them all and use the client's name. And you just start typing what you want. Dear space, put a space bar, and then whatever you want to do. Let's say client's first name. And we'll put a comma directly after that last greater than symbol. Body of text. And thank you. And then go down here to planner. This would be you, who you're logged in as. Your names. And go first. Space. Last. Okay, now to see what it looks like, this button right here, preview merge. Click that and you'll see it merges on the current selected contact, which is James Ava right now. So it's Dear James, body of text, and then just close this. If you're going to apply special formatting to any of these special or these mail merge fields, be sure to include both symbols, the less than or greater than symbol. So let's say if we want this bold, but if you do not put both of them on there, we'll leave that last symbol off and select bold and then do a merge. See, it's going to do this. It's not going to merge right. So be sure to select both of those symbols on both sides of your mail merge field. Now that should merge correctly. Yes, Dear James W. So that applies to any special formatting. If you're going to change the font size of that, let's say we're going to do a size 14 and we're going to change the color. Just be sure to test it and you'll be fine. And be sure to select both the two less than symbols on the left side and the two greater than symbols on the right. If you want to replace a field, let's say you don't want just this first name, highlight the entire field name again and just hit delete. And then let's insert account name instead. And we want that to be 12 point bold italic and preview. And you'll see it looks like that. And you can add additional data for you also under the planner data. You can go down to your phone numbers and insert your work number. That's about it on how to create a template. There's also special spouse fields that you can insert, their name, address, dates. You can also have, let me collapse these, the company fields under admin settings. There's a bunch of company fields that you can add those to. This section, dynamic dates, let's say you put a date in here. And it's short, medium, or long, so let's just put a short date in there, and then when we do a thing, you'll see 7/23, close. Same thing. If you put in a long date, It'll look like this. Tuesday, July 23rd. So that when you open this a week from now and you do a mail merge, it will update on the current date, it won't say July 23rd anymore. Alright, and under the client you have any of his names, his address, pref address. That's his preferred address, so you might want to get in the habit of using that if you're going to include that in there. Pref address string, I'll show you what that looks. That's a single line of all of his address versus preferred address block. You'll see what it means. See, this is the string right here, and this is a block. That's where it does a line break between each piece of his address. Phone numbers are pretty self-explanatory. Email addresses, you can enter any one you want, or you can use the preferred email address. And same thing on the addresses, the actual, if you want to override, you just use home address or work address, or if you want, use the preferred address. Okay, we covered that. Dates, you want special dates in your database concerning that client, his birthday, his spouse, his wedding, date entered, date became client. This is the client's website. I think that explains how to create a template. Once you're all done, you want to click save. You can click save here, or click file and click save here. Or you can click save as. I'm just going to click save and give it a name. Test 333. Let me resize that so you can see it a little bit. Test 333, and leave it as rich text format. That's probably going to be your best bet. Save and close. And now we go back. Okay, and then to actually use a mail merge template, let's go back to our list, and the select contact is James Abba. You quickly do it right here by clicking mail merge, preview. Let's locate the file we just created. It's 333 RTF open, and there's the document that we just created. The mail merge based on all those fields. If you wanted that mail merge to contain more than just James Abba, you select the people you want it to be included in that mail merge. Click preview, and let's bring up test open. And now we have 6 different pages. Let's close that. So now you see how the mail merge works. It works by which contacts are highlighted. So if you wanted to say, I want to do all birthdays this month, you click use query. Right now we're on dates. You see that right there. Contact birthday this month. Let's run. There's only one person that meets that criteria, so you can click that at this particular, and then you could preview. I don't know if I have a happy birthday document here. Let's just say thank you was a happy birthday for this month, and it would merge on that. That's quickly how to do mail merge. This is a way to, let's say, to find groups of people, using the query section. I'll have another video on queries and how to work those. Thanks for watching. See you later.